Tonight, an Indianapolis man waiting to go on trial for allegedly driving drunk and causing a deadly crash is now allowed to drive again.
Rich Nye had his camera in the courtroom today as the judge made that decision today. And then afterward, Rich talked with the mom of the young man who died in that fatal crash.
Bradley Woods faces 21 charges from a grand jury indictment, including causing death while driving intoxicated. Woods asked for specialized driving privileges.
The specialized driving privilege here allows for him to do basically everything that he would normally do in his life, including going to American Muscle Factory 5 to 6 times a week to work out. I do not believe that that is the basis for what specialized driving privileges should be.
20-year-old Avery May was killed and his girlfriend Riley White seriously injured in a crash with Woods' truck on Southport Road on the southeast side in December 2023. Woods' wife allegedly picked him up and he left the scene before a blood test was taken.
It's safe to say that at this point in the case, there's less evidence of intoxication than you would typically have in a situation like this. And we believe ultimately there will not be evidence of intoxication.
A probable cause was found by the grand jury in this matter, and he is facing significant charges. So I am going to grant specialized driving privileges. They will be very, very limited.
Woods cannot drive to the gym. He's essentially only allowed to drive to work, and his vehicle must have an ignition breathalyzer. Family and friends of the victim attended the hearing. White is in therapy for PTSD from the crash and is still afraid to drive.
She's paid a very high price. We've paid our son's life, my son's life. For him to get his driving privileges back seems very minute to what we have had to travel through for the last 16 months.
A judge previously denied another motion to reinstate Bradley Woods' suspended driver's license. Now he will be able to drive on a very limited basis, awaiting trial. No trial date has been scheduled. Rich Nye, 13 News.
In addition to driving to work, Woods is also allowed to drive for groceries and gas only on Mondays to one specific place by a specific route. The only other places that he's allowed to drive, per the judge today, are to court hearings and to doctor's appointments.